Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of bathroom designs. Whether you are planning a complete bathroom makeover or just looking for some fresh ideas to update this essential space, you are in for a treat. We will be exploring the latest trends that are making waves in bathroom designs. So let's get started. Biopelic design in bathrooms is all about incorporating natural elements like plants, natural stone, and wooden accent to create a sense and spa-like atmosphere. Earth-tuned color patterns such as soft greens, warm brown, and muted blue are on the rise, evoking a sense connection to the nature. Now let's exploring the world of minimalistic and sleek bathrooms. Floating vintage give bathroom a clean modern look while creating a sense of space underneath. Frameless glass shower enclosures provide a seamless and elegant appearance, making your bathroom feel more open and airy. Next, we are embracing the future with high-tech bathroom trends. Smart mirrors with built-in lighting, touchscreen interference, and voice-activated features are transforming the ways we get ready in the morning. Sensor operated vents and toilet not only enhance hygiene but also bring a touch of modernity to your bathroom. Now let's take a trip down memory lane with vintage and retro bathroom trends. Clay-foot tubes, inspired by the past, are making a comeback as a stylish and timeless addition to modern bathrooms. Subway tiles with unique patterns and colored growth offer a fresh take on a classic look. Lastly, we will explore the use of statement tiles and patterns in bathroom design. Broken and encaustic tiles bring intricate patterns and vibrant colors to bathroom floors and walls. Geometric and hygienic tiles create eyes-catching focal point in showers and backsplash. Here you have to 10 bathroom design trends that are taking the world in interiors by storm. Whether you prefer a nature inspired, a sleek and modern space, or a nod to the past, there is a trend to suit every taste and style.